Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix if your phone is showing charging but the battery percentage not increasing. So first I'm going to tell you several reasons why your phone might show that it's charging but battery percentage is not increasing. So it might be because some hardware issues. You can check for the faulty charging cable, check for any physical damage on your cable, or you can also check for the damaged charging port. So you can check on your phone if there is a damaged charging port. And the battery issue, you can see maybe your battery need to be replaced. So if you use it for a long time, you might consider it to change it. And there are also some software issues. For example, if you install a charging like a third party charging apps, it might be interfere with the normal charging process. So you can try to disable or uninstall the apps. Or there might be software glitches, so you can it can cause issue with the charging. So you can try restarting your phone to see if the problem resolved. And the other issue is that there might be some updates on your phone. So if you have updates on your phone, the system updates on your phone, but it is pending, so you might be considered to install them, and it sometimes can fix the charging issue. So any other troubleshooting steps that you can do is to check restart your phone and also disable or uninstall charging apps. You can check for software updates on your phone, and you can also try a different charger or outlet. And here you can also consider a battery replacement. You can see the battery settings on your phone, and you can see if it's work properly. Like if there's an anomaly on your battery, you might consider to replace the battery soon. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.